die hond in die huis. And when we said no, what did we say?
Nee.
And then say nee. So when we say no, it's not like it. In Afrikaans we call it ontkennende vorm. That's a big word. But ontkennend means that you deny it. You say no, it is not like that. Okay, so if you see this big word, ontkennende vorm, you must already have the word nee in your head. Okay? We don't answer with nee. If someone asks you, is jy honger and you're not hungry, then you say nee. But you also say ek is nie. Do you hear we hear two things the whole time? Nee and no, nee. So when we write ontkennende vorm, we use the word nee. Right, read this. Nee. Alright. So if I have a word, a sentence, let's say my sentence is ek loop. What does ek loop mean?
I walk.
Okay. Ek loop. And I tell you, skryf dit in die ontkennende vorm. It means I want you to change it so it's not like that. Then the first thing you think is, I have to use nie. So every time when we work in Afrikaans with verlede tyd or with anything else, we find our verb, ons werkwoord. Wat is my werkwoord in hierdie sin? Ek loop. Loop means walk. Kan jy loop?
Yes.
Ja, jy kan loop. So I underline my werkwoord. Okay. If it's just a person and a werkwoord like ek loop, then you're just going to add nie at the end and you're going to write ek loop nie. Okay. So after the verb, na die werkwoord, is daar altyd 'n nie. Okay. I can make my sentence longer. So ek kan gaan en ek kan sê ek eet kos. What does that mean? I eat food. Wat is my werkwoord? Eat. Eat is my werkwoord. Okay. So what's the rule in ontkennende vorm? You guys must sit still there. Where do I add nie?
At the end.
After the verb, na die werkwoord. So nie must come here. So now I'm going to write ek eet. And then I'm going to add nie. Then I finish my sentence. Kos. And for some reason, Afrikaans people want to make sure you know it's not like that. So they don't just say ek eet nie kos. They make sure you know it. And they go, ek eet nie kos nie. And they add another nie. So if it's a long sentence and there's more than just a person and a verb, you add two nies. It goes ek eet nie kos nie. Let's look at this one. Mama bak brood. What's that?
Bake bread.
Mom bakes bread. Mama bak brood. Wat is my werkwoord? Bak. You can bake. Nee, bak. Okay. So, where does my first nie go? After the verb, na die werkwoord. So then I write everything down first. I go mama bak nie, and then I finish first brood, and then we make sure they know it's really not like that. Brood nie. Then we say mama bak nie brood nie. Okay, what if I have this? Sissy speel. What does that mean? Sister plays. What is my werkwoord? Speel. Okay. What's the rule? Waar sit ek vir nie? After the verb, na die werkwoord. So, it's going to be Sissy speel. Do I need to add another like this, you only add one need. But if there's more words that goes after it, we're going to add another need to make sure they know it's really not like that.